Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of women's fashion to bring you the scoop on what could possibly be the best short dress on the market right now. Introducing the Amazon Essentials Women's Surplice Dress, a chic and versatile piece that's making waves in the fashion scene. This dress isn't just your average garment. It's a statement piece that's perfect for any occasion. Crafted from a luxurious blend of 95% rayon and 5% elastane, this dress boasts a soft, smooth texture with a beautiful drape that flatters every figure. Plus, it's sustainably sourced, so you can feel good about looking good. What sets this dress apart is its thoughtful design. With a fitted silhouette through the chest and waist, and a flared hem, it accentuates your curves in all the right places. The V neckline adds a touch of elegance, making it perfect for both casual outings and more formal events. Whether you're dressing it up with heels and statement jewelry or keeping it casual with sneakers and a denim jacket, the Amazon Essentials Women's Surplice Dress is a must-have addition to any wardrobe. So why wait? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy shopping!